Christiana from BA 2 and I'm going to present my art menu. Pace study duration 1 hour. Grade level is good for 5 and 6. And method of teaching is guided activity, visualization, and center-based learning. And the multiple intelligence is visual spatial and bodily kinesthetic. And materials needed is plain paper, pencil, photographic image, office, tape, disc, or drawing board. Objective, helping the student to see and understand correct facial placement. And the procedure is, first find a photograph of a person face head. 2. Cut the face in half the long way, 1 eye, half nose, and half mouth. And third, take photo into a sheet of paper, leaving room beside it. And fourth, student finish the drawing of the face. They can keep the cut off portion for reference as needed. And fifth, sign your work. And this is the example of the face study. And next is, I give you my heart. Duration 1 hour. Grade level is kindergarten 1 and 2. And method of teaching is guided activity, visualization, demonstration. And multiple intelligence is visual, spatial, and bodily kinesthetic. And materials needed is construction paper, pencil, oil pastel, glue, scissors, and heart stencils. And the objective student will demonstrate tracing and cutting technique and understand and use the concept of repeating pattern. And the procedures, first have students select 2 sheets of construction paper in 2 different colors. And second, trace the large heart shape on one sheet and small heart shape on the other. Cut out. And third, glue the small heart in the center of the large heart. And fourth, use 1 color of oil pastel to outline the heart shape. First heart to create heavy line. Fifth is construction with the same color. Draw simple pattern on the around the heart and shape. And 6 is color the pattern with the remaining pastel. And 7 is trace each student hand on the multi-color toral construction paper and cut out. And 9 is glue the hand and heart on a sheet of paper, colored construction paper that best complement the color scheme of the heart. And here the example of the I Give You My Heart. And next is bag frog craft. Duration is 1 hour. Grade level is grade 5. Method of teaching is guided activity, visualization, and demonstration. And multiple intelligence is visual, spatial, and bodily kinesthetic. And materials needed is green paper bag, hole punch, pink construction paper, red construction paper, glue, googly eyes, roller, scissors, pencil, and black marker. And objective is learn about paper bag to develop their fine motor skills, hand and eye coordination muscle, strength, and much more. Procedure of it is, first use the hole punch to cut 2 pink circles 4-inch bag. And second, use roller and scissors to cut the red paper into 1-inch strip. You need 1 strip 4-inch puppet. Third is, after cutting the paper, coil the strip around a pencil to create a coil tongue. Fourth, then pull down the paper bag about 2 inches from the top and press it to create a tight crease so the bag will remain closed. And fifth is use glue to attach the pink circle to the folded flap. And 6, glue the googly eyes in place. And 7, after the glue dries, use a black marker to create 2 dots for the nose. And finally, use glue to attach the tongue under to the proper bag folded flap. After your glue dries completely, you can fill the bag with goodies. And here the example of the paper bag frog craft. And the next is paper butterflies. Duration 1 hour. Grade level is grade 5 and 6. Method of teaching is guided activity, modeling, demonstration, and visualization. And multiple intelligence is visual, spatial, bodily kinesthetic. And materials needed is paper, scissors, ribbon, string, cording, etc. I stick. Objective: Using paper can create simple folded paper, butterflies which flutter in the brush. And procedure is first you will need a square piece of paper to work with, then at your square and a half into two equal pieces. And second, take one of the new rectangular pieces of paper and fold it in half the outer corner into the fold line to create point. And your paper should now look like this. And fourth, next accordion fold over and under your pointed end piece of paper. Fifth, and fold it in half. This will be the set of 4 wings. Lower wings. 6, take the second piece of rectangular paper and accordion fold it the folding over and under. 8, fold in half. These are the back wings. You should now have 2 sets of wings. And 9, the wings together with ribbon, leaving excess for the antenna. And 10, the tie something string and hang your butterflies on a stick. And here the example of the paper butterflies. Bees and tissue paper. Flower. Duration is 1 hour. Grade level is grade 3, 4, 5, and 6. And the method of teaching is visualization, guided activity, demonstration, and modeling. And the multiple intelligence is visual, spatial, bodily, kinesthetic, and naturalistic. Materials needed is a glass jar or plastic jar. For bees is liquid glue, paint, plasticine, and for the flower is tissue paper or different color. And scissors, thread, glue, and paint or color paper. And paintbrush. Objective, use creativity to customize a base from a jar. Model plasticine to the create arrangement of pot a base. And create flower using tissue paper and use paper or color papers. And the procedure is first gather your materials, second prepare the tissue paper, third make accordion fold, and fourth round the edge with scissors, and fifth add the stem, and sixth gently peel open the layout, and 7 separate the tissue paper sheet, and 8 cut and add green leaves, and last is arrange your paper flower. And here the example of the and tissue paper flower. Here.